Doc on the Run. We help injured runners run.
Welcome to the Runner's Heel Pain video course, where you will learn how to stop runner's heel pain so you can keep running. My name is Dr. Christopher Segler, and I'll be leading you through the course. Now, I actually teach doctors how to diagnose and treat running injuries. I've been invited to present my research and lecture to physicians at conferences all over the United States, Canada, Asia, Europe, and New Zealand. So by any measure, I'm a recognized expert in biomechanics and running injuries. But perhaps more importantly to you, I'm a real runner. I'm a marathoner, I'm a 15-time Ironman triathlon finisher, an Ironman all-world athlete, and I've competed in the Ironman Triathlon Championships in Hawaii. So don't worry, I love running, and I think you should too. This course is not about how to get you to stop running, it's about how to keep running. After a few years of lecturing at medical conferences trying to teach doctors about running injuries, I realized it's actually easier to teach runners like you about running injuries because doctors often want you to stop running, but you of course always want to keep running. So here's what this course is going to teach you. How you can tell the difference between the various forms of runner's heel pain so you can actually understand what is causing the problem. By the end of the course, you'll be able to effectively treat runner's heel pain so that you can get better and keep running. This course is arranged in a series of video lectures that is designed to remove all the medical mystery around the various forms of runner's heel pain. Now, to help you with this, I actually created some 3D anatomic animations that will help you understand exactly how doctors diagnose runner's heel pain so you can do the same thing. Here are the topics that we're going to cover in the video course. Common causes of runner's heel pain and how you can tell the difference between those various conditions. Make the right diagnosis so you can start the correct treatment. How to make sure you don't have a condition that will get worse if you run. We're going to talk about home treatments that can cure runner's heel pain. We're going to explain exactly how you can stop the inflammation, how you can stop the pain, how you can stabilize the foot so you can heal faster. This course is designed for any runner who has runner's heel pain but wants to keep running. And there are no prerequisites. You don't need to be a physician. You don't need any training in anatomy, physiology, or medicine. All you need to do is go through the lessons and compare what you learn on screen with what is going on in your own foot. And we're going to walk you through the whole process. Heel pain can be really frustrating, but it doesn't have to keep you from training. You just have to understand the different causes of runner's heel pain and then make sure that you treat it appropriately. So take a look at the free preview so you can get an idea of how you can cure your runner's heel pain and keep running.
Doc on the Run. We help injured runners run.